How to troubleshoot app crashes or freezing on Android for the Tinder app. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve app crashes and freezing on Android. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to troubleshoot app crashes for your Tinder, or if it is freezing on Android, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. So if you're using Tinder and it is freezing or not working for some reason, the first is you want to check if your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't, on Android, you can long press the Tinder app icon on any Android and you can tap on the eye icon over there to just come to your app information page. Once you're here on the app information page, you can simply scroll down to the tab that says storage and tap on it. And from storage, you can tap on the clear cache button from the bottom and also try to clear the data, which will in turn reset the app. So you might have to re-log in again. After that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. Check if the Tinder app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. You can also try to restart your Android phone or check for a software update, because sometimes that could also be causing your Tinder application to crash. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.